Do you want to double, triple, quadruple your money with the least amount of risk and speculation? Stick around till the end of this video and I will show you exactly how. Hello there YouTube, this is the Frugal Investor. I have been investing for over 4 years now and my platform of choice is M1 Finance. In this video, I am going to show you guys my top 3 growth stocks that you can own in your portfolio and grow your initial investment many folds without any risk. If you want 2 free stocks, with one of them worth $1,400, check out the link for Webull in the description down below. If you want 1 free stock, check out Robinhood. For $10 cash, check out M1 Finance. With that said, let's get right into it. The first stock in this list is Intuit. Intuit has multiple softwares like TurboTax to file your taxes, QuickBooks to file bookkeeping, Mint to manage your personal finances, Credit Karma to check your credit score. This company has seen a huge growth over the last 5 years. I personally use all 4 of its products and I am a big fan. The company was ranked number 11 on Fortune 100 best companies to work for. If we look at the numbers for Intuit, seeking alpha, over the past 5 years, the company has seen a growth of 273.72%. Over the past 1 year, the company has seen 45% growth. Ticker symbol is INTU. If we look at the revenue growth for Intuit, the company has seen a total increase in revenue from 4 billion in 2016 to 7 billion in 2020. If we look at the net income for Intuit, the company's net income, that is the profit for the company, it has grown from 9 billion to 1.8 billion in 2020. If we look at the earnings per share, that is for last quarter, it's 94 cents. Earnings per share for the next quarter is expected to be 1.33, $1.33. That's a sweet increase. Profit, actual revenue is 1.32 billion in the last quarter and it will increase to 1.84 billion in the next quarter. So the company is seeing a constant increase in its revenue over the past 4 years. That's a really great sign that shows that the company is growing and it's retaining its customers. Its earning estimate by 14.44%, and then in the next quarter, in the third quarter for 2021, expected to increase by almost 40%. If you look at the dividend yield is 0.64%, which is not that high. The payout ratio is 27.63%. That means the company is paying out 27.63% of its profits to its shareholders. That is a good sign because the company is reinvesting the rest of the profits into growing and innovating and increasing its customer base and increasing the revenue. The 5-year growth rate in the dividend is 18.79%. That is beautiful. The dividend has been growing for 8 years now. The annual payout for their dividend is $2.36 per stock. If you look at the sales growth, the company is expected to almost quadruple its sales over the next quarter. The next tax season is coming, and that is because they have TurboTax, which is the best and the most innovative product of its type in its market with the highest market share, and the company is supposed to quadruple its sales growth over the next quarter. Over the next 5 years, the company is expected to grow 7.58% per year. The next year, it's supposed to grow 12.90%. In the next quarter, close to 40% growth. That is huge. The rating, according to Yahoo Finance, 2.1, and the current price is $372.19, while the price estimate according to analysts is $384.13. This company is an absolute killer. It has really strong numbers and a strong growth potential. It is a leader in its market space with the highest market share with products like TurboTax, Mint, QuickBooks, and Credit Karma. The company is also very innovative and is investing heavily in growing and retaining its customers, taking care of its employees, and giving more value back to its customers. So over the next 5 years, the company is going to see nothing but growth. I personally own 2.3 stocks of Intuit in my portfolio, and I will be increasing it in the coming future before its next quarterly earnings. I am a huge believer in this stock and I think it will keep growing year over year. The second company in this growth stock list is PayPal. PayPal is the biggest condom manufacturer in the world. No, I'm just kidding. PayPal is at the heart of people and small businesses for exchanging money, online shopping, or selling a product. PayPal makes it super easy to do all of these things. With over 300 million customers, PayPal is the leader in its marketing space. I personally use PayPal on a daily basis and I love the simplicity and how it makes my life so easy. If we look at the numbers for PayPal, over the past 5 years, the company has grown over 511%. Over the past 1 year, the company has grown 107%. The current market cap for PayPal is $255 billion. The total revenue for PayPal over the past 5 years has increased from $9 billion to $17 billion. The net income for PayPal has increased from 1.2 billion to 2.45 billion. That is the amount of money they are profiting. A sweet and stable increase. If you look at the revenue, the company has grown their revenue from 5.46 billion in the last quarter to 6.09 billion in the next quarter. They have been constantly beating their earnings except for quarter one in 2020 during the pandemic. They have been constantly beating their earnings. Next quarter, they are expected to beat their earnings by 15.43% and in the first quarter of 2021 by almost 50%. Those are beautiful numbers. If you look at the sales growth, PayPal is expected to grow 22.70% in this quarter, 21.10% in the next quarter. Over the next 5 years, the company is expected to grow over 23%, and over the next year, 19%. This year, the company has grown 22.30%. Over the next quarter, almost 50% in the next quarter. If we look at the analyst rating, the stock has a 1.8 rating of a strong buy. The current price of the stock is $217.93, while the analyst given target price is $223.93. In my opinion, PayPal blows the socks off of any investor who's looking to increase their initial investment. With such a huge customer base and ultra focus on innovation, this company has nothing but pure growth over the next 5 years. I personally own 3.27 stocks of PayPal and I will be buying more in the near future. If there is one company in this world, it is this company that I am going to give you guys right now. Name of this company is Adobe. Is any smart investor's darling, and if you don't have it in your portfolio, you are missing out big time. I personally bought Adobe at $130 a share 4 years ago, and my initial investment has more than quadrupled. Adobe is the leader in its space and has a slew of creative products like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Spark, Adobe Sign, and Analytics. With their recent subscription model on A-class products, they have a great customer retention and satisfaction. I personally use Adobe on a daily basis and I love their products. If we look at the numbers for Adobe, the stock has grown over 425% over the past 5 years and over 60% over the past 1 year. The current market cap for Adobe is $233 billion. The total revenue growth for Adobe over the past 5 years has seen a stable increase. It started with $4.7 billion in November 2015 and has grown to $11.17 billion in 2019. If you look at their net income, the company has constantly increased their profits from $6.2 billion to $29.51 billion. The earnings per share has grown from $2.57 per share over the last quarter, is expected to be $2.66 for this quarter in this earnings coming up on December 10th. The revenue has grown from 3.23 billion to 3.36 billion dollars. They have constantly been able to beat their earnings quarter over quarter over the last 4 quarters, and are expected to do so year over year over the next 4 quarters as well. If you look at the growth for the company has grown 12.30% this quarter and is expected to grow 13.20% over the next quarter. Company is expected to grow 17.42% over the next 5 years. Based on analyst rate, it has a 1.9 rating on the buy scale and it is a buy. The current price for the stock is $492.25, and the target price by the analyst for this stock is $552.03. That's a huge margin rating. Adobe is going to grow constantly. You know why? Because they believe in innovation, they invest in innovation, and they take care of their customers. Over the next 5 years, this stock has nothing but growth. I personally bought Adobe at $130 a share, and right now it's trading at $492.25. I own 4 stocks of Adobe in my technology portfolio, and I will be buying more in the near future. For those of you who have stuck till the end so far, I am going to give you guys one bonus stock that you can own in your portfolio, and I can bet you that stock is going to increase 5, 10, 11, 12, 15 times, and it will double, triple, quadruple your money over time. And that bonus stock is Tesla. Tesla, the current share price is $641. People have been saying, oh, it's overpriced, it's gonna fall. This stock is gonna keep growing year over year. This is the first time in history such innovation has happened, and this stock will grow and grow and grow, and I will buy more of this stock in my portfolio. With that said, guys, thank you for watching. These are my top 3 growth picks and a bonus pick for Tesla. If you like this type of content, leave me a like, leave me a comment, and subscribe to this channel. With that said, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.